I recently bought a highly rated shower steamer, hoping for a relaxing spa night. Instead, it dissolved in 10 seconds and left my bathroom smelling like cheap floor cleaner. Finding a steamer that actually lasts and uses authentic essential oils is incredibly frustrating. Most just wash down the drain along with your money. So, I spent weeks testing the most popular options to find the ones that actually work, and my number one pick completely shocked me. Here are the top 5 shower steamers. 5. Eucalyptus Mint Shower Steamers. When I first opened this package, I was immediately greeted by a very sharp, intense burst of eucalyptus. The packaging is relatively simple, but it clearly positions itself as a sinus relief tool rather than just a casual aromatic treat. I was excited to jump in the shower after a long day, hoping this would recreate that expensive steam room experience I've been craving and give me a moment of real relaxation. I placed the tablet in the corner of my shower, carefully making sure it was out of the direct, heavy stream of water, exactly as the instructions recommend. As the hot water started to build up steam in the bathroom, the tablet began to fizz. The initial hit of mint and eucalyptus was genuinely refreshing, opening up my nasal passages almost immediately. It definitely packs that initial punch you want when you're feeling a bit congested or groggy in the early hours of the morning. However, as my shower continued, I noticed a significant issue with the longevity of the tablet. Despite being placed safely in the light splash zone, the steamer practically disintegrated within the first 3 to 4 minutes. The intense aroma that started off so strong faded incredibly fast, leaving me with just regular steam for the remainder of my shower. I also noticed that the scent, while strong at first, had a slightly synthetic aftersmell that lingered in the damp air, which detracted heavily from the natural spa vibe I was originally hoping for. Ultimately, the Eucalyptus Mint Shower Steamers earn the number 5 spot because they do provide a quick, aggressive burst of sinus-clearing mint, which might be exactly what you need for a rapid 5-minute morning shower. 4. NEWFEIFAN Shower Steamers. This brand immediately caught my eye because of its beautiful, vibrant packaging. It is clearly designed with gifting in mind, featuring an array of different colors and a variety pack of scents that look fantastic right out of the box. I decided to test out their lavender and rose variations over a couple of evenings to see if the actual shower experience matched the gorgeous exterior presentation they worked so hard to create. Setting up the NEWFEIFAN steamer was simple, and as the warm water hit the tablet, it created a really satisfying, gentle fizz. The aesthetic appeal of these steamers is undeniable. They look like premium bath bombs that have been cleverly adapted for the shower. The steam began to carry the floral notes upward, and for a brief moment, the bathroom genuinely felt like a luxury boutique hotel. The variety in the box means you can pick a scent that matches your exact mood for the day, which is a very nice touch. But as the shower progressed, I couldn't help but notice that the scent profile lacked real depth. Instead of smelling like pure, extracted essential oils, the fragrances leaned heavily into a perfumed, almost soapy territory. While not entirely unpleasant, it felt more like washing with a strongly scented body wash rather than experiencing true botanical aromatherapy. Furthermore, I was a bit annoyed to find a chalky, colored residue left on my shower floor after the tablet dissolved, which required a bit of scrubbing to completely remove before it stained the grout. The NEWFEIFAN shower steamers sit at number 4 because they are a fun, highly giftable option that will look great in a care package, a stocking stuffer, or a holiday basket. 3. JoJowell Shower Steamers. Right from the unboxing, I could tell this was a major step up. The tablets are individually wrapped to preserve their freshness, and the exact moment you tear the foil, you are hit with a deeply authentic, robust fragrance. I tested their citrus and sweet orange blend first, and it smelled exactly like freshly peeled fruit rather than a sugary candy wrapper. Placing the JoJowell steamer on the shower floor was a vastly different and improved experience. As the water lightly splashed it, the tablet didn't just aggressively foam and die. It slowly and steadily released its oils into the steam. The scent throw was incredibly impressive, filling the entire bathroom with a bright, uplifting aroma that genuinely helped wake me up and energize my morning. The balance of the essential oils felt calibrated perfectly, strong enough to be highly noticeable, but entirely natural and free from any headache-inducing elements. What really impressed me during my testing was the longevity of these beautifully crafted tablets. By formulating them to melt at a controlled, deliberate pace, JoJowell ensures that the aromatherapy lasts for the entirety of a standard 10 to 15-minute shower. Even as I was finishing up and turning off the water, there was still a small piece of the tablet steadily working away, maintaining that beautiful citrus cloud around me. Plus, it washed away completely clean, leaving absolutely zero trace on my tiles. JoJowell easily secures the number 3 spot by providing a high-quality, reliable, and authentic aromatherapy experience at a very reasonable price point. They have managed to strike a perfect balance between beautiful natural fragrances, excellent longevity in the water, and a completely clean dissolve. 2. Cleverfy shower steamers. Cleverfy has built a huge reputation, and after testing their highly praised variety pack, it is very easy to see why. The packaging is sleek and modern, and the scent combinations are incredibly creative. I was particularly blown away by their lavender and vanilla blend, as well as their potent menthol and eucalyptus combo. These tablets are thick, substantial, and packed with obvious manufacturing quality. The Cleverfy experience in the shower is nothing short of therapeutic. When the hot steam mixes with these tablets, the release of essential oils is intensely rich and deeply relaxing. They incorporate a noticeable amount of menthol in their breathing blends, which acts as a powerful carrier for the essential oils, lifting the scents all the way up to your face rather than leaving them hovering around your ankles. It truly felt like I was standing inside a professional, room-sized diffuser, breathing in pure relaxation. During my daily tests, the Cleverfy steamers proved to be incredibly durable. They are expertly compressed, meaning they resist the splashing water beautifully and melt away at a luxuriously slow pace. I actually had one last through an indulgently long 20-minute evening shower without fading out. The scents remained wonderfully consistent from the first minute to the last, never losing their complex, layered fragrance profiles. And just like any premium product should, they rinsed away effortlessly down the drain when I was done. Cleverfy is a nearly perfect product and earns its number 2 ranking through sheer consistency, luxury, and outstanding performance. The inclusion of menthol to carry the scents is a brilliant formulation touch that dramatically elevates the physical experience. 1. Body Restore Shower Steamers. Let me tell you, from the moment I opened the first tablet, I knew this was going to be a completely different experience. The concentration of essential oils in Body Restore is simply unmatched by anything else I tested. I tried their popular Relief pack, and the sheer power of the eucalyptus, peppermint, and camphor hit my senses immediately. It didn't just smell good, it felt restorative and healing before I even turned the water on. Once placed in the shower, the Body Restore steamer completely dominated the environment. The way it interacts with the steam is nothing short of magical. It creates a thick, enveloping cloud of aroma that clears your mind, melts away physical tension, and genuinely transforms a standard home bathroom into a high-end wellness retreat. The scent throw is incredibly expansive and powerful. I even had my partner ask what I was using because the incredible smell had wafted out of the bathroom and heavily scented the entire hallway. The build quality of these tablets is the absolute best I have ever seen on the market. They are dense, heavy, and meticulously crafted to ensure a remarkably prolonged release. While other tablets might give you a quick burst, Body Restore provides a sustained, intense aromatherapy session that easily lasts through your entire shower routine, no matter how long you stay in. It never turns mushy or crumbles too early. It just steadily fizzes away, dispensing pure, high-grade essential oils until the very end. The Body Restore shower steamers take the crown because they deliver exactly what a shower steamer should: a powerful, long-lasting, and genuinely therapeutic physical experience. Ultra. That's all for today.